Looking back on my life, oh so long ago, I was living life a carefree soul with nothing really to show. Doing all the things Mama told me not to do. Lifting up a rock to catch a crowd, I get mud on my new shoes, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, I am looking back on my life a few short years ago. I was just to impress, sleep on my desk, worrying about who I know. Where can I go? And where can I find a place like playing in the creek? Leave this world behind me. I gotta leave it behind, yeah, cause it looks like rain in the sky tonight. Storm clouds fill my life with black and gray, the place to run, the theater of my mind. I'm playing in the creek. Leave it all behind. It guides me now. It's all so clear, 'cause Christ right here is the only thing I found that can bring me back to the place in my mind. I'm playing in your creek. Leave this world behind. Because it looks like rain in the sky tonight. Storm clouds fill my life. Black and gray, place to run, theater of my mind. I'm playing in the creek. Leave it all behind. Well, I'm playing. Well, I'm playing. Well, I'm playing now. Well, I'm playing. Well, I'm playing. Yeah. 'Cause it looks like rain in the sky tonight. Storm clouds fill my life. Black and gray, place to run. Theater of my mind, playing in the creek. Leave it all because it looks like rain in the sky tonight. Storm clouds fill